Hello guys and welcome to Login Aid. So today in this video, I will show you guys how to create AI avatar on TikTok. Creating AI avatar is newly added feature on TikTok where TikTok will generate your AI avatar. So all you need to do is upload your photos. That's up to 3 to 10 photos. Your face must not be cropped and must be clear. So follow me till the end of this video for the complete process. So this is a newly added feature on TikTok, so make sure that your TikTok is updated. If your TikTok is not updated, then you guys need to go to the Play Store and under search tab type TikTok, and instead of this open button right here, you will get to see update button. All you need to do is tap on that button and update your TikTok. So it's already updated, so click on this open button right here and you will open up to TikTok. From here, tap on your profile at the very right bottom. Now here you can see edit profile, tap on that button. And now at the top you can see create avatar. From where you'll be able to create your avatar, tap on it. And as it is shown here, you can use your pictures to get 30 high quality AI avatars. So all you need to do is tap on create button. Now from your gallery, select your 3 to 10 pictures or photos from here. And after you select them, click on create button at the bottom right. As you can see that our photos are uploading, so wait until then. And after that, here you would get to choose your style, that is at least 2 to 5 styles. So choose according to your preference which you like. So I'm gonna choose them out of here. And once you're done, tap on this continue with 5 styles button. So as you can see here, a notification popping up that says you can create avatar 1 time a day. So if you try to create another one in a day, then you won't be able to. You will have to wait for 24 hours. Once your avatars are created, then it will remain on your TikTok for a week, or you can download it as well. Now tap on continue button. As you can see that our avatar creating process has begun, so this might take a little bit of time, so wait until then. Once the process is complete, you would get to see all these avatars that are ready for you now. So we got 30 avatars here. So you can select one of them to use as your profile as well. Select one of them, whichever you like. And after that, tap on this use for profile button right here. Now once it is selected, adjust your profile right here and tap on save and post button. As you can see here that our story or our profile has been updated. The process is not done yet. To download your avatars, what you can do is tap on inbox from the bottom. Now here you would get to see activities. Tap on it. And once you tap on your activities, at the top you can see here your avatars are ready. Tap on view at the right. Now here you can see all the 30 avatars that have been created for you. So you can select them one after another, or you can select all of them if you want to download. So to download the avatars, tap on download at the top right corner. Now you can select whichever you want to download, or to select all of them at once, tap on select all option again at the right top. And after you select all, tap on download button. So the downloading has begun. So you can see that our avatars have been downloaded. Now let's get back to our gallery and check on it. So here are all the avatars that were created and are downloaded. So this is how you can create your AI avatar on TikTok. And this is the wrap up for this video, guys. I really hope that the video was helpful for you all and you guys liked the video. If you guys find the video helpful, then do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon to get more updates.